Changing the phone number associated with your YouTube account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to change the phone number. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings page. Step 3. Access the account section. In the settings menu, look for the account section. Here, you will find options related to your account information, including your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the phone number field and click on Edit or Change. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it, such as receiving a verification code via SMS. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number and completing the verification, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to finalize the update. Now your phone number is updated on your YouTube account. If you encounter any issues, refer to YouTube's Help Center for further assistance.